Hey guys, Amy here with Off Leash K9 Training. I'm here with Baxter. Baxter is a 2-year-old German Shepherd. Baxter joined us about a year ago for our basic obedience program. He's coming to us for our 1 week now. Mom and Dad just want some consistency with the training. Their family is growing, so they're not able to be consistent with that training. So they're looking for some help with stability and distractions and things like that. So we're gonna give them for a week, and with that week, we're gonna go over come, sit, extended sit, place, extended place, food manners, and door manners. We're gonna work it in multiple environments with distractions. We're gonna work on him jumping on people. That's his big thing, and he's very mouthy with Mom. He's been mouthy with me since I've had him, so we've been having some fun with that. So let's see what he knows before we get started. Baxter, come. Look at that, good boy. Baxter, sit. Sit. Look at that, good boy. Baxter, please. 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 So he's not listening. He's gonna do what he wants when he wants. He just hasn't had that consistency, so we're gonna firm him up while we've got him for this week. We'll see you in 7 days. Bye. Baxter, come. Good boy, sit. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, let's sit. Baxter, load up. Good boy. Good boy, Baxter. Sit. Baxter, back. Come on. Good boy.
Hi, we're the Currys. My name's Samantha. This is Alex. This is Baxter. He's a 2-year-old German Shepherd. We got him when he was about 10 weeks old. We did the basic obedience about a year ago, and we did it with Amy, and she was awesome. Definitely got a different dog at the end of that. Like I said, it's been a year that's been passed, and there's just some things we wanted to finesse with Baxter. We have a new little one coming, and he just wanted to work on some of his manners, and so we did the 1 week freedom board and train. And it was really hard being away from him, but the videos that we got was incredible. He listened very well for Amy, and Amy was very good at sending us daily videos and pictures to make sure we didn't miss him too much. And today we got to pick him up, and he did not greet us when we first walked in. He was in a place, and it was really impressive. And he's been good after reviewing everything, and I'm overall very impressed and overly pleased with Amy's work, and I would recommend her highly.
Yeah, I think it's a good company overall because 1 to 2 days after we got a video right away, I was actually kind of surprised about that, and he was already pretty much a different dog. So Amy definitely has done wonders with Baxter, and I think the first time he did get basic obedience training, but some of the touch-ups were due to us. As we've learned, you have to stick with the training, so that wasn't all Baxter's fault. But now he's, like she said, he was in a sit when we came into the building, and it's very impressive, and we definitely recommend the company.